I have wanted this for so long. I have daughters who have tortured me to wake them up for so many years, and I thought this would be just an hysterical way to drive them crazy. So I was fortunate enough, Clocky asked me if they could send this to me and to have me do a review. I was like, sure, I've wanted this thing forever. So I might be a little biased, but I will tell you the truth about how it actually works. So let's open it up, see what's inside here. I'll talk to you about what it is, how it works, all that kind of stuff. So this is an alarm clock which is on wheels, which apparently is supposed to just drive your teenage children crazy, because when it goes off, it goes flying off the stand, it goes swirling around the room. Let me show you, it's got giant wheels. It is a conventional alarm clock in the sense that it really is just basically clock in terms of functions. Has nice rubberized wheels, so I'll tell you that right off the bat. My first question was it going to damage anything, and it is definitely not going to damage anything with these rubberized wheels. It is a basic clock feature. It is backlit. It is programmable, right? So you could decide if you just want it to be loud, if you want it to run around the room, if you want to be able to snooze it once. You could choose to be able to snooze it once. The second time you'd have to catch it to turn it off, which is the whole point of getting them out of bed and to school. Here's the big snooze button on the top. I think there's only one thing to do. We need to take it inside because I can't test it out here. I'm pretty sure it'll end up in the pool. And that will be the end of it. So we're going to take it inside, set it up, see how it goes. I'll bring it in, show you what it looks like when it goes off, what it sounds like, what it does. And then I'll give you that Doug score at the end, 1 to 5, whether I liked it or not. Okay, I'm clocking out of this review. This thing definitely works exactly the way it's supposed to. It is a little wild. It will definitely freak your animals out. It will, if you had like a fun cat or a fun dog, I think that might be even more entertaining than getting your teenage kids to get up on their own to go to school. But this will do it. Hope this was helpful. I'm out.